Top of the morning, ladies and genital munchers. What is going on? We need to talk about NIO stock. These stocks have dumped today. We are having some buying opportunities in the market. Now, we may be on our way to a recession. We may be in a bear market, but you cannot deny dips in the market in the way that trends have to work. They do not go straight down and they do not go straight up. And this thing has went down tremendously today and this week and this month and this year. We're down 53% this year. We're down 11% this week. This thing has dumped huge. I wish I could have got this to you guys earlier. I tried to make this video, but I was having problems with my microphone with static. I had to remake the video twice. NIO stock was at $8.01 this morning. This thing just not that long ago. Look at the whole week. It's just been trailing down. If you want to look at the month right here, this thing was just at $11.25 not that long ago, right at the beginning of the month, guys. And if you guys want to look at right around my birthday right there, my birthday was July 25th. It was on the way up on my birthday right there. That's where I sold. I sold on my birthday right there. Like 13 bucks. Anyway, it topped out at $16.16. We are down about halfway since, what is that? That was a month and a half ago. One and a half months ago, this stock was double the price that it is right now. Now to TradingView, this is what matters. This is what you guys need to see. Now, I build support and resistance lines for you guys based on what I'm seeing here in the market. Support and resistance is based on lines that we see touched multiple times. Now I go out on a bigger time frame to build these lines. Went on a 1 hour time frame for you guys right now. If you guys want to see this is where I built this one right here. We've got it. See how it touched multiple times, and then we peaked into this area, and which is where we topped out at 16.16. Now we have this area right here where we touched multiple times. This one actually should go straight across that way because it touched in here too, right, guys? And then we have this area where we touched heavy, and then there's an inner line, an even minier line that's inside of that line. Now we broke underneath the 11 line, underneath the 10 line, underneath the 9 line, because each dollar is almost its own resistance. We got 13, we got 11, going all the way down here, and now we are at the $8 line, and there's only one more line underneath that, guys. We got one more to go, one more beneath this, and that one was last touched on June 1st down here. It was at exactly $7. It touched exactly $7. So you can see right here, we dipped right below this morning right here. And this is what I was trying to warn you guys about, because I got to buy in at a tremendous price this morning. I got to buy into this at $89. I just missed the low of the day. I bought $89, and these were calls for next year right here. And I'm actually out on them already. Sold a bunch of them, 106, 105, 108, and then this last one I sold for $112. So I made a decent penny today. What the hell was it? It was like a 25% return or something. Right now we're back at the 842 price. Wish I could have got this to you guys sooner. Right now it's still crucial though, because right now we're sitting right above this support line. And what did it do? It hit the support line, broke through it, and then shot back up. That's how you could tell that it's support. It treated it like support. And so we're going to do one of two things here for NIO stock. We're either going to hold this line right here and it's going to come shooting back up, because it's not to say that this is a confirmed downtrend. If any good news comes out, if the Fed brings out some stuff about rates, or I don't know, the economy is doing better, unemployment's going down, whatever. I mean, these things move the market, and the market moves up and down. And basically, on the long term, we're just looking for good buying opportunities for, next year, the year after. Like if you guys were going to buy NIO stock to hold NIO stock, you could either buy it as a stock, dollar cost averaging at lower prices, the $7, the $8, the $9, knowing that NIO stock, not that long ago was all the way up here. Look, it's just a straight run. It goes all the way up, $54. Where were we at? We were at $67, and right now we're trading at $8. I just bought for $8 this morning. So, take with what you will. If you guys are long term about it, then you guys would look for opportunities like this, and this is why I'm bringing this video. I'm bringing this video to people that want to hurry up and get in when these opportunities come. Don't just buy. You wait for these buying opportunities, and then you dollar cost average in, and then you hold on to your position. Now me, I did not buy the stocks. I bought call options is what I did. And the reason that I sold them is because this thing is in a trend. It shot all the way down, came up, right? Came up for the rebound. And what it actually did is it's bouncing off of this support line. This support line is between like 815 to 850 is where this support line sort of, they work as zones. It's a zone. It's a support zone. So this thing could shoot up from here. But to me, this does not look like a major uptrend. So it could do one of two things. You know what I mean? It can go way up, it can go way down. But way down is only down to $7. My thought is that this thing could probably retest 810, 815, 805. So I'm not saying 840, oh man, this is the bottom, buy in. I'm not saying that. This is not financial advice. What I'm saying is you guys can come into the options chain and you guys can look out several dates for next year. This is where I'm at right here. I got one left for 109. I'm holding on to one right here. Do I actually have one left? I thought I sold them all. It might be a glitch. That might actually be gone. Anyway, I buy further out on these because the theta is lower. See, I was trying to teach this in the previous times that I was building this video out for you guys, but I was showing it with the $9 strike that I'm buying here. 0.06 theta is way better than what you guys are probably buying. A lot of you guys are probably buying right here. You're buying heavy theta. This is almost a 0.03 theta. Theta is time decay on your options daily, right? So that means 0.028, that's $2.80 every day that you lose off of this $10. But you only got 4 days to expiration. Now, if you went out and looked at the same $9, you get a 0.01 theta. So the theta has tremendously dropped by like 65%. Now you're only going to lose $1 a day off of your 46 bucks. Now, this is provided that it doesn't go up to $9. If it goes up to $9, then that theory is voided, right? But theta is if it doesn't do anything, if it stays the same, it's gonna lose that value each day. That's why I see, like you saw that's out $1 theta right there. Now check this one out. This is the ones that I was buying last week. Now I didn't buy them this time because to me they are getting close in time range. 53 days. It's a decent amount of time, but see, it's still 0.0087. See, now that theta is still close enough to 1. It's like 87 cents a day. So I don't want that because I buy a lot of contracts. To me, if I buy 10 contracts, I'm losing $8.70 a day. I don't want that. I want a little bit more protection. There's no December ones. If you go out a little bit further, you've got January call options. If you guys were looking, and this is if you guys are looking for call options instead of buying stock. If you guys are like, it's going to go up, but you guys want more money faster and don't want to wait for stock money, like you can definitely multiply your money heavy with call options if you're thinking logically like this, thinking NIO will go up by next year potentially, and if it doesn't go up in the next month or so, maybe you're going to cut that position for a very small loss before the time decay starts eating you. So yeah, this is where I'm at right now, 0.006. So this is 60 cents a day or $6 a day I will lose if I have 10 contracts. Now you can see it's updated. I have 0 contracts now. But see, that's what I was willing to lose. If I bought 10 contracts, I was like, I'll lose $6 a day out of my what would have been about a $900 position. Because like I said, I was buying at about 89 cents, 90 cents. So, and right now where this would have been worth $1,100 if I was still holding on to it. But anyway, definitely look at this and pay attention to this. If you guys are looking for long term, if you guys are like, you're not going to like trade, you guys want to hold these like stocks, you can come out even further. You can come out to June, look at the time decay on the $9 one right here, 0.004. That's even lower. So, and you guys can hang on to that a while. And like I said, all it's got to do is start going to $9 and you guys are going to turn a profit because it's low. So do what you will. This is essentially saying you have 270 days, and if in the next 50 or 60 of them it starts going up to $9, then you're probably going to turn a nice little profit, right? Go out a little further. This is the next year out. This is 2 years out. 2 years out. They don't have the $9 one out here. But if you come out here and see, the theta goes down even further. So now you're going to lose 0.003. If you had 10 contracts, you lose about $3.20 a day. So if you guys are holding this like stocks, Now, see, you're thinking a little different. You're thinking if by 2025 this thing goes to 25 bucks, so I'm saying, and you bought down here with these call options, you wouldn't even want to know the return that you guys would make off of these call options right here. I'm going to do more lessons on this, so subscribe to the channel here and turn those notifications on, because I'm going to teach you all about the Greeks, all about call options, all about implied volatility. I teach you about spreads. I've learned a lot about this. I've been doing this about 6 years. I'm also trading for a prop firm. I'm going to document my steps for you guys to get funded with a prop firm for futures trading as well. So I do a lot of different things. I'm a buy and hold crypto investor too. Right now we're in a bad crypto bear market. I do not recommend that people buy crypto right now, because it probably will go down further and further and further. Next year may be bigger for crypto, because specifically in March, April area, because of things going on with Bitcoin, which I'll talk more about later on. But turn those notification bells on, subscribe to the channel, and definitely check out your NIO stock if you guys are interested. None of this was financial advice, and if you guys need help doing the support and resistance, I will break that down for you guys too. Essentially, all you're looking for is multiple touches in the same area, and you guys can come on over here. TradingView is free. You can use this tool. Come on down here. Where is it? Right here. You're going for the shapes. You're looking for geometric shapes. You're coming down to rectangles, and then you can say, well, where's the line here? Oop. I'll show you guys a line right before I let you guys go. I'll show you guys a line here. Say that it touched in this area a lot, right? You come on back over here, grab this, pull this over, and then boom, there you go. You've got yourself. Now see, what we're essentially looking at here is it's touched the top of this many times, and then it's peaked out in this. So you got a whole range here. It's a wide range, and that's just a little basis about what we're doing here. You know, you can do them up here, you can do them everywhere, and just have them going the whole way up and down. And they don't always hold, they break through, but it's worth it to have an idea of where the stock will go, guys. So anyway, with that being said, have an amazing day, guys. Happy trading. Stay safe out there. Love you guys a lot, and take care.